So moving further, uh, in the last lecture we have decided our sorry we have decided our mm, time constant of this controller as to be equal to T2. Okay, then what will happen? 1 plus STC will equal to 1 plus ST2. So we can cancel this term. Okay, and when 1 plus STM is equal to STM here, so one S will also be cancelled. So we can take this as to be this we can remove. So it is so from here S could be cancelled out. Okay, so now the remaining there are only two poles in here, 1 plus STR by 2 and 1 plus ST1. This is a second order system. So we can take the constant as to be 1. So our GSHS will come out to be, so our GSHS will come out to be Kc into, let me just take it down. Okay, now it is visible. So Kc into, this is Kr into K1 into Tm into Hc upon Tc and into two poles, STR by 2 and 1 plus ST1. So here it is our GSHS. So this whole constant could be taken as K. Let us take it to be K. So K upon 1 plus STR by 2 into 1 plus ST1. So now let us just calculate 1 plus GSHS as our objective was, and 1 plus GSHS we will calculate and equate it to be equal to uh, S square plus 2 zeta omega n S plus omega n whole square. So we have already discussed these things in the previous lecture. So let us just do it. So our 1 plus GSHS will become, it will be 1 plus S into TR by 2 into T1 plus this will be S square plus S TR by 2 plus T1 and plus K. So this is okay. Now some assumption can be taken. So what are those assumptions? This TR by 2 value is very less in comparison to T1. So this can be neglected. So this can be strike out. So taking common, and we also know that K is also very high. It is very, very large than 1. So we know TR by 2 is very, very less than T1 and K is very, very large than 1. So we can simplify this as to be, so just taking out your TR by TR T1 by 2. So it will be S square plus this T1 will be cancelled out. So it will be 2 TR, 2 by TR into S plus K by 2K T1 TR. And this will be equal to your s square plus 2 zeta omega n s plus omega n whole square. So from here omega n will directly come at s to be. So our omega n will come out to be under root 2k by t1 tr. Okay, and our role is to calculate our zeta. We know our zeta. For a good response system, our zeta is equal to 0.707, that is equal to 1 by root 2. So let us take this. So our 2 zeta omega n is coming out to be 2 by tr. Okay, so 2 is cancelled here. So which will become, our zeta will become equal to 1 upon under root, this will be 2k, and t1 will go up and tr will be reduced by an order. So it will be this thing, under root t1 by 2k tr. This will be a zeta, and we know our zeta. Zeta is what? Zeta is equal to 1 by root 2. So this is t1. Sorry, let me do it on the upper scale only. So this will be equal to 1 by root 2. So from here we can calculate k. So k will come out to be t1 by tr. So I feel it is all right. So now taking back our k value, our k is what? K consists of kc, which we need to calculate. So k is here. So I can write it here as here only. So let me write here. So our k, which is t1 upon tr, this will become kc kr k1 tm hc divided by tc. We know our tc. Tc is equal to t2. So our from here we can calculate our kc. This will be t1 tc upon tr kr k1 tm and hc. So we have calculated our kc and tc. So these two things we needed to calculate for our current inner current controller design. So somehow we have calculated. Now our controller will now, we can reduce sorry so now this thing can be reduced, ia star upon ia. We can reduce in terms of just two variables, 1 plus str by 2 and 1 plus st1. So we can reduce our system So our system is here. So when we calculated our GS upon 1 plus GSHS, so 1 plus GSHS is here. GSHS is this thing. So this value we will take. GSHS. So let me just do it. So let me bring it here. So what will we do? We know that uh, IA star, sorry, this will be IA. So IA upon IA star will be equal to GS upon 1 plus GSHS. So this system will reduce to, so let us take this thing. So here it will be a K, that is assume it 1 plus STR by 2 will come from there itself to 1 plus ST1. So this will be multiplied by 1 plus K upon 1 plus STR by 2 into HC was also there, a feedback, 1 plus ST1. So when we solve this, so this will become K upon 1 plus STR by 2 to 1 plus ST1 plus KHC. Okay, this is our IA upon IA star. Okay, we can reduce the order of the system. This second order system could be approximated in a first order system. Just you can see that these two time constants. So one is TR by 2 and this is T1. So they are these nearly are two poles. So one of those pole is a very small quantity. So we can neglect this. So from here 1 plus STR by 2 could be neglected.